Hi, I'm Dr. Rhea Hogseth, founder and director of the Pediatric Dental Team Association. Are you frustrated with trying to get parents to schedule past due preventive visits or scheduling sealants? I know that this is a big issue for all of us in our practices. It seems like what we always hear is, it's just a cleaning, I can wait another month or two. And I know you're extremely frustrated by that. I am too. So I have a single-page report for you that you can use in marketing to help you get those parents to schedule their preventive visits. It has 5 points on it that address each of the issues that we normally address with the parents as to the importance of it. And this report can be used not only to schedule these past due ones, but it's a great thing to include in your new patient package. I use it because it really goes step by step as to what we do in our preventive care visits, whether it's the initial one, whether it's 6 months, whether it's at a year past due. We do the same things at our visits, which is A, individualize preventive care for that patient, decide what they need to do at home. Do they need any accessory products? Do we need sealants? We definitely go over oral hygiene instructions with the parents or the caregivers so they know exactly what they need to do to help their child be cavity-free and have a beautiful, healthy smile. Sometimes I know it's even demonstrating for them how to get in there and do the correct brushing and flossing procedures, and then, according to the age of the patient, help give the parent direction as to how much they need to intervene and how much can the child do for themselves. So I know these are things that you talk about all the time, so now it's in something that you can use to help you with your marketing. So as I said, you can use it with your new patient packet. You can use it and send it out as an email blast to everybody, especially at their 6-month visit or if they're past due. You could also do it in an office newsletter. You can do it as a blog post. You can use it as a Facebook post. There are so many different ways you can use that can help educate the parents out there and also hopefully bring you in some new parents. It's very simple to edit, and you can use different borders to make it seasonal on the papers that you use. You can buy those, I know, at office supply stores, or you could even go on Canva and design your own. There are so many different ways that you can utilize this single-page information sheet. All you have to do to get it is to look at the end of the email that this video is a part of, and you'll see a Download It Here tab. There is no strings attached, just help yourself to it. I think it can help you in your practice so many ways. You can also just reply to this email and ask for us to send it to you, or you can just contact us at info@thepdta.org. PDTA members have access to this type of marketing materials all the time in their member resources area on their members area of our website. So if you're not already a member, I urge you to join today and enjoy these benefits and many, many more. All you have to do is go to thepdta.org and enroll today. This has been your Practice Pearl from the PDTA, and I'll see you on the next one.